So this US 30 analysis for Friday, 27th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had pricing counter resistance around 25,243, had a breakout here to the upside towards a 25,439, held support around 25,439, from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum return to the market again, breaking above the 512. Came pretty close to a test of 25,600, had a brief pullback to retest 25,512 to see whether that 25,512 would hold as support here on the US 30. And let's just, give me a sec, I'll just change the scaling here. There we go. So we've tested the 25,512, has held as support, so we do see points for a test of 25,600. So the very next level that we are looking at to the upside, if we do see is bullish buy side momentum continuation here, is if we do break 25,600, 25,660, 25,708, after which we're looking at a very, well, a key level here, a previous high from, I think it was from March or February early this year, from which we did see a bit of a sell-off in around this 25,825. And again, if we do see the volatility bring us up towards that 25,825, we'll see if we're doing counter resistance at that 25,825. Now, it is Friday. We have gone on a fairly strong run, so there remains a possibility of seeing some retracement. And if we do encounter that resistance around 660 or the 600, looking for a move back down towards the 25,512. Successful break from which we're looking for a move down towards the 25,439, previously where we held support, beyond which it would require quite a bit of volatility counters to the primary trend, which I do think would be unlikely. But if we did see that breaking beyond the 25,439, the very next major level of note is of course the 25,243. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. So we get the scaling here correct, and as we can see here from a daily chart perspective, we have our lows in around 24,000, had a move to the upside, brief pullback, further acceleration, had another pullback, had another breakout bull flag move to the upside. We did mention 25,825. It's pretty much this low over here to your left, from which we did previously see sell side momentum come into the market. And again, we'll look to see how prices react in and around that 25,825. Hold on. Sorry, got that wrong, didn't I? 25,825. Oh. My apologies. 25,825 in fact is this high right here, from which we did see this sell side momentum. And again, 25,825 is pretty much this high all the way up here, from which we did see that sell side momentum. We've already traded through this high, actually the previous high, that was the 512. So the 825 is pretty much from this sell-off that we had earlier in the year, near the end of February/March. We did have that strong pullback. So if we do see this continuation, we'll see where we do encounter resistance at that 25,825 before we start head towards the 26,000 here on the US 30. Overall, the structure has been a fairly bullish, a series of higher lows and higher highs after pullbacks. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.